99.9% of the foil image. So I'm go ahead and apply all inside the nails. If you have a troubleshootings with your chamfer foil, this going to be your bestie on your station, and you will be never gonna disappointed with your chamfer. It really key in 30 seconds, and it make your work so much easier. No frustrated with not able to chamfer anything. So this beauty is cooked and it's done. So beautiful, and it is, I'm using pumpkin spice beet, and the radiance centipede charm is everything. It's like really stunning. Also it saved me time because I could, if I have the radiance, I just have to put the frame on around it, but it's already done for me. It looks like so gorgeous. It's so perfect on that background. So this is the pudding, and the other one is fall in love. So I am go ahead and using this. There are a lot of them I really want to do. Also this one looks really good on the nails, so I'm gonna move this beauty, this place for seconds right now at the moment. Right, just put it on the side, and then this beauty is ready. I'm gonna use this gorgeous leaf right there. Okay, I'm gonna do it right there. Try to get it as much as possible. No, right there. Oh no, let me go back here. Okay, I found it. I really want to do the other leaf, but I like this one a lot too. So I decided to go different direction. Give it a good press on. Press on it. And my hand has cuticle oil, so you can using your door tweezers. Give a good pressures on, rub, and then you can just lip it, the film off. Look at that, it transfer everything. Oh, I got a little wing from a butterfly. It's half a butterfly. And then, you know, keep in mind, you can absolutely like layer the foil too, okay? Definitely you can layer the foil to put the butterflies in here if you want. And then it's so stunning. It's have a happy Thanksgiving in there. We're not quite ready for Thanksgiving yet, but just for your information, this is so stunning. Just for your information, Blossomings Fall number 50. Also, it's going on sales as well for the special launch celebration. Okay, so I'm going ahead and using is condensed glue gels. You don't need a lot. A little go a long way. This is going to last you for a long time. Can you please share it for the group, please? Good. Sally, the chamfer foil. Yes, is everything. I love it. It does like bring the fun nail art in life, right? Because it's just all right. The butterflies, I miss the butterflies, but you can put stickers on, or you can layer again. It means that you're gonna apply the chamfer foils again and then layer another whatever image you want. You can mix and match with different foil design. It doesn't have to be exactly the same foil that I did. Okay, floating the top coat right on the top of unkilled condensed glue gel is not only finished. When you're done, it finishes no tacky layer. Also, it will help to grab the base of your crystals and it keep it in one place. It is so stunning. Now I have a ton of ideas for this design. All right, I am going to add using super adorable again my pumpkin spice. You would never go wrong with this pumpkin spice if you're not sure what crystal and designs beside your Crimson's collection or Insta pack, crystal Insta pack. This is going to be absolutely easy, simple for you to create. There's a lot of designs using this pack. So I'm gonna share and I'm gonna create some cool things for you. You can do so many different designs. It doesn't have to be you can create so many cool, fun, like freestyle designs using the pumpkin spice. I'm gonna get some. Hey, what's up? Sorry, my wiping off my picker because it had a little fur in there. I'm so excited. Hope everyone have a fabulous Friday. It's such a really good and productive day. Friday, I'm so busy and I am so excited to see you. I can't wait. Finally, our internet is fixed. So we can able to go live with you again. If I don't, I'm gonna feel something is really big missing. Oh, I'm loving it. What's up with that? Little star. Okay. Shooting star. And my I got that from the glow in the dark kits. I'm gonna use that. Look cool and stunning. But now keep in mind, if you want to be using your glow in the dark crystal, it's gonna be cool and stunning. You know what? It's perfect for fall because it's gonna glow in the dark. I'm loving this background, the fall in love colors. This is so perfect to create the designs. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. Oh my gosh, it's just so weird when I counting the years that I've been streaming and share with you. This is Glitz 4th years to sharing in the fall season. I still remember last year we was here, and then we have the Hurricane Sally, and then it's another years, another blessing years. Thank you so much for all amazing love and support. We did some like streaming, seeing back. Oh, I did a lot of videos way back then for sharing a lot of cool different tip and trick for liquid and powder, and then the dipping powders. But then in 2018, let's do a lot of streaming. 2018, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, four fall season that Glitz got an opportunity to share with you. It's mean that is, you know, really blessed. We got an opportunity to share with you and to streaming for you, shares all the tip and trick. It's great to see every single of you, a lot of you, you know, and like so much success now. A lot of our students will take a class. Absolutely. Just really makes us so much, you know, proud. And thank you so much. Every time it's remind me of years that I doing a design, because last year I do really cool stunning design too. Every year we did some cool designs. You know, keep all of you up to date and keep trend, so then you can be proud of yourself that you are really cool. Continue your educations, nail tech, and also is really trendy nail tech. So whatever the clients request, you got it, you know. 4 years. Oh, 4 seasons. That is awesome. Right, if you heard that, I'm dive like right in my pumpkin spice. I just tried to find the smallest size because this pumpkin spice pack, it come from size like SS3, SS4, SS6, SS8, SS10, SS12. All right, I'm loving it. Where I'm at? Okay, here.